In this video, I'll show you how to open browser on your Samsung Smart TV. This is very easy. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, after connecting to the internet on your Samsung Smart TV, you go over to your installed applications. Now, every Samsung TV comes with an inbuilt browser, and as you can see on my screen, I have the browser application on my installed application. So it comes with the Smart TV inbuilt. So what you have to do is just come over here and click on the application, and it's going to turn on. So let's see how it is on this Smart TV. So once you connect it, and this is how it's going to look like on your Smart TV, or this is how it looks like on my Smart TV. So for instance, I can go ahead now and search for what I want on the browser. So that's how to connect or open browser on your Smart TV.